Hello everyone. So this is 8th of May 2020 and this is a video for educational purpose. Now this video is about a trade that I took in Hindalco Industries. So let's get straight to the business. Let's see the monthly chart of Hindalco here. Now as you can see, the Hindalco is at its all-time high. Let's go to the weekly chart. Okay, nice rising chart. As you can see, there are higher highs, higher lows. Now go to the daily chart. Now as you can see, the price action shows that Hindalco is in a sort of ascending triangle in this zone. You can see this triangle forming here, the ascending triangle, and this is an important level, this orange line, and this is the breakout. Now I was tracking this chart from a long time, and I wanted to enter really early into this trade. Ideally, one should enter after the daily closing. For example, this daily candle closed above this orange line, so one should make entry here. But I wanted to enter really early, and I was using 1 hour time frame to enter this trade. Now there is an interesting thing that happened on 4th of May, that in 1 hourly candle there was a breakout, and I entered in this trade here, but it failed immediately, and once it broke its low, I took my stop loss and exited the trade, because the reason being, the premise on which I took this trade, that is the breakout in 1 hourly candle, failed. So there was no point of me remaining in this trade, and I quickly exited the trade. Now on next day, it tried to make another attempt of breakout, and I once again entered in on the finish of this 1 hourly candle, and because it was second attempt, so some chances of breakout was very high, and the trade went really well, and I am still into this trade. Now those of you who have not spotted this trade in time, what you could do about it? Let's see this in daily time frame. Nice, and weekly time frame. Alright, so in weekly chart, this is the breakout candle. Those who wants to trade in weekly, on the basis of weekly candles, this is a trigger for taking an entry into the trade. The only problem is that if you directly enter into this trade on Monday at this price, there could be a retest of this zone. So ideal way would be to wait for the retest and enter in this zone. That would be really safe near this trend line, but it is not necessary that it will make the retest. So what you could do is, suppose you want to make an entry of 50,000 into this trade, you could enter with 10 or 20% of your capital in this zone, and if there is a retest, then you could enter with the rest of your capital. uh, Finally, let's talk about the target. I will be expecting 20 to 30% in this trade minimum from this price, which means it could go from in the range from 440 to 460. easily because it is an all-time high stop. Moreover, I will be looking for any sign of weaknesses in the daily time frame, and if there are any major weaknesses, I will exit the trade. So that's it for now. We will meet again. Thank you.